Assalamualaikum. Hi. Thank you very much for still with our channel. Um, so today for this video, I will explain about and some overview regarding the industrial automations. The video may include the overall just surface point of view regarding the element that's inside the industrial automations and some a bit discussion on the cost that involve in set up the, the cell of the industrial automations. Okay, before we go further in the industrial automations, I want to bring you to the terms first. Is that this term of automation is familiar with you? Okay, okay. I think the current ages automation term is quite norm because of the current technologies is very advanced recently, and the automation elements is everywhere. Okay, and if I ask you about the perception on the automation system, I think most of you are interested to have a system with the automation elements, and um, and also um, you may think that most of the automated system or automation systems surroundings are quite helpful. I think most of you will say that, and but the case now is the we need to think that is it worth that to spend a lot of money and budget in developing and establishing the automation systems. Um, are the automation system only involving the mechanical engineering or technology, or maybe involving electrical or electronics engineering as well, or maybe including the software or science computers systems. Okay, so we take a look on what inside the main element of the automation systems. So in automation system is actually I can say here be divided into three big divisions, which is involving the production devices, support elements, and of course the design of industrial automation systems. Okay, so for the production devices, mainly and currently the the most desired devices is the robots. And before this, we have a CNC system, which is more on the fast and static, and Cartesian production line. And we also have a lot of hard automation devices that some of it is use disposal type, or maybe can be used or recycled for other devices. Okay, and we also have the support equipment that contains like conveyor systems, and also um, hard automation itself from the production devices, and including the palletizers. Okay, so I will show you after this. And lastly, before we are developing or set up in the automations systems, in industrial, we need to have a good design and safe design, with the optimum cost justifications. Okay, so basically, in the industrial automation environment, or they call as work cells. Okay, as you can see here, the work cell at least have cell controllers, and which is mainly control all the controller involving the CNC systems or the robot controllers, as well as the communications system of the work cells. Okay, so the this in the environment of the industrial automations work cells, so actually consists of four basic devices in one cell, which that include the production devices, support devices, control systems, and as well as the feedback. Okay, this device is very important to complete the environments of the manufacturing line, that can establish the process of the manufacturing itself, like production devices, of course, become the very main component in these work cells, that are performing the main task in the manufacturing and production process. Okay, for the support devices, of course, we support all the main production devices needs, like communications, like sensoring, to because these production devices containing control systems to perform the precise, or to perform the desired operations that has been set by the handler or the technical persons. And the support system also very important to the production devices in terms of the communication between the peers of the production devices, and also as the elements, one of the elements in the feedback. Okay, between the branch of the factories, and also good for the headquarters to monitoring the branches operations efficiently. So, and also is very important for the database structure of the manufacturing work cells. Okay.
Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you can understand a little bit as in general regarding the overview of the industrial automations. So keep uh, following my channel, and we have another about 2 to 3 videos regarding these topics. So please keep following. Thank you very much, and drop your comments below if any. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.